Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
So that was it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought about this look in the comment section below. And because you love POPxo and our content so much, we have come up with a surprise for you. Join the MyGlamxo Insider program and get 150 rupees off on all MyGlam beauty products. The link is in the description box, so join now. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.